Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'll be showing you how to install the JDK, which is a Java development kit for your computer. So really quick before the video starts, over 90% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you're part of that 90%, please consider subscribing. It's completely free, and when you do subscribe, make sure you click on the little bell icon next to the subscribe button. Anyway, let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to a web browser of choice, and you're going to type in JDK download. And you'll see this pop up here, so you can click on go to download. So make sure you're on the right site. It's oracle.com, and you're going to click on JDK download right here. Now you can go down and find whatever version is right for you. So I'm going to get the Windows x64 installer. So click download and make sure you review and accept the agreement, and then download. So now it's downloading. You can see the progress right there. So now that it's downloaded, you can click on it. You probably can't see this, but it's asking me if I want to allow this app to make changes to my device, and I'm going to say yes. Now you can see it's preparing to install, and you can navigate through the installation wizard. Next, and now it's actually installing. So here we go. The JDK has been successfully installed. You can go ahead and close it. If you're using the JDK for like Eclipse or something and you're getting an error, I have a video talking about how to fix that error, which I'll have a link to in just a few seconds. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video.